Hello and welcome to the future of warehouse automation with Pelican Pack. Are you ready to transform your rainbow palletizing and depalletizing processes? With our state-of-the-art AI and 3D vision technology, Pelican Pack is here to revolutionize the way you handle mixed-case palletizing and depalletizing. Imagine a world where pallet loading and unloading is fully autonomous, adaptable to various box sizes and orientations. That's the efficiency Pelican Pack brings to your operations, all with minimal changes to your existing setup. Our advanced AI-based motion planning intelligently navigates through dynamic mixed-case scenarios, ensuring precise and real-time box detection. This means streamlined processes, increased productivity, and a significant boost to your bottom line. Whether you're dealing with different packaging types or complex palletizing tasks, Pelican Pack has got you covered, offering smart, adaptable solutions without the need for complex coding. Join us in embracing the future of intelligent and efficient warehouse automation. Subscribe to our channel now and turn on notifications to stay ahead with Pelican Pack.